that you have a choice when choosing your chairlifts. Thank you for choosing the Wenatchee Express. Welcome to episode 16, where we're actually on the way up.
Well, I'm standing here at Midway watching this Wenatchee Express spin for the first time, and it's quite a exciting feeling. It's a long path from where it started to here. I'm just proud of everybody. I feel like this lift is going to transform Mission Ridge. It's too transformational. It's going to be the focal feature of the ridge. That with the natural beauty and skiing that we have here is something special. But this is going to be transformational. Well, we're standing here on February 5th, and the crew here has been just killing themselves to get this lift built. But I also want to acknowledge and thank our guests for being very patient, waiting for this all to get done. I know everyone's excited and wants to ski the whole mountain. So I just want to say again, thanks to all of you there for how patient you all have been. Well, right now we have load testing scheduled for Friday the 12th. And between now and then, we're going to be spinning this lift and making sure everything's testing out 100%. Well, load test, typically a load test, there'll be a few punch list items that need to be taken care of, and then after that, they'll give us our operating certificate, and then we're free to go. Just relief, a big sense of relief to, whenever you start a project like this, you're not done till you're done, and we're there.
And I'm honored to present episode 16 of On the Way Up, when I'm actually on the way up.
Way to go.
Oh my God.
Did you believe this? does this moment mean to you right now, Delcie?
Oh my God. 20 in the air, chair 2.
What's going?
Copy 20.
What's going through your mind right now?
Oh crap! I didn't think this day was gonna happen, and I kept teasing I was gonna cry. But yeah, there's so many people, heart and soul, into what is happening right now. It's unbelievable.
So how
Thank you to Larry for believing in us and believing in our team. And thank you for our team and the leaders of our team, and Josh, Brad, AT. They kept everything going. Ethan, the lift maintenance crew, who still are putting in so many hours, and everybody across all of the departments that came together and did things that they've never done before in order to make this happen. Unbelievable.
pretty amazing, right?
It's pretty amazing.
So when did you find out you were going to ride chair 2 right now?
About 20 minutes ago.
2 seconds
No, actually,
ago.
about 2 seconds ago. Sometimes you gotta, you know, you dream big. We were joking about it, saying, hey, let's go down and see if they'll let us ride it. And they said yes. David, this is unbelievable.
This is.
We're riding chair 2.
We're riding chair 2.
We're riding the Wenatchee Express. Here we are at the top of the world, signing off with episode 16 of On the Way Up.